very quick one to talk to you about divisibility rules, but very simple divisibility rules. Okay, so divisibility by 2 or by 3. Okay, a number is divisible by 2 if it's even. So 22, for example, is divisible by 2 because 22 is even, so you can halve it and it's divisible by 2. 23 is odd and it's not divisible by 2. Okay, so for divisibility by 3, there's a super simple rule that's very, very useful, but we're not always aware of it, so I just wanted to share that with you now. We use what we call the digital sum. What is the digital sum? Is when you add all the digits to each other, and you try and find if the digital sum is in the 3's times table. So for example, 1001, 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. But that's not in the 3's times table, so that's not divisible by 3. However, 1002, 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 3. So this number here is divisible by 3. Now I'll give you a harder one. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5, 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 is in the 3's times table, so 1245 is definitely divisible by 3. Now I hope you found this little trick useful. If you'd like to see more of our content, then please follow us on Instagram @MathemagicMD. And if you'd like to see us on Facebook, it's facebook.com/HR Mathemagic. Thank you so much, and this is divisibility by 2 or by 3. Super easy, but you never know. You might not have been aware of it, or maybe your child was not aware of it.